What's up YouTube? This is Ben from the B&B Homestead, and today I am repathing the garden pathway. Before we get to the video, if you guys can just like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified for our next videos. Take this journey with us at the B&B Homestead 1 acre, what we like to call our mini paradise. So this is what I've done so far. I'm sorry I started this and I didn't even think about doing a video on it. I just was kind of determined to get this tiny little pathway done. So I started on it and then I was like, oh yes, I gotta take a video of this. So I thought I stop briefly to show you guys. I'm gonna reset the bricks in this, I guess, type of pattern all the way to the end. And there was a little stone, a rock that was already there, and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that there. I might clean it off, keep it there. Maybe that's where we'll set our hose roller. So yeah, I'll get back with you in a few minutes. Us at the B&B Homestead 1 acre of what we would be called, what we like to call our mini paradise.